Eagle pose, Garudasana. This is one of the equilibrium asanas, and to perform it well requires good balanced body alignment in several positions and movement planes. Performance. Take the Tadasana position with legs parallel. Hands on hips. Bend knees slightly, raise the right leg, curl it past the left thigh, and curl the right foot around the left calf. Bring arms forward, bend elbows, and place the left elbow on the right elbow. The left forearm and hand curl around and adhere to the right hand. Arms are parallel to the floor. Forearms are vertical to the floor. Stretch the hands and fingers. Hold the position statically, focusing your gaze forward toward the forearms. Stretching of the soleus of the supporting leg. Stretching of the plantar flexors of the supporting leg. Stretching of the scapular adductors. Stretching of the posterior deltoid. Stretching with static contraction of the hip abductors. The quadriceps, gluteus maximus, and the core muscles, in red, stabilize the body. Hip movement of the supporting leg is adduction with internal rotation. The hip abductors and hip lateral rotators stretch and simultaneously contract statically to stabilize and prevent collapse of the pelvis. If these muscles weaken, increase the stretch and the pelvis will be supported by the connective tissue, the fascia, tendons, and ligaments in this area. Hip movement of the upper leg is slight flexion with adduction and internal rotation. This movement stretches the hip lateral rotators and the rear fibers of the gluteus medius.
Common problems: posture and balance difficulties or limited ability to stand on one leg. Solution: performing the position while sitting on a chair. It is possible to gradually raise pelvic height. Common problems: difficulty in interlacing hands because of movement limitation, large muscle mass, or overweight. Solution: A. Take position with arms open to the sides and hug yourself with your arms without crossing forearms. B. Perform the movement by placing one hand against the other without crossing them.